is a principle of parsimony, economy, or succinctness used in problem solving. It states that among competing hypotheses, the one with the fewest assumptions should be selected. Other, more complicated solutions may ultimately prove correct, but in the absence of certainty the fewer assumptions that are made, the better. The application of the principle often shifts the burden of proof in a discussion. The raiser states that one should proceed to simpler theories until simplicity can be traded for greater explanatory power. The simplest available theory need not be most accurate. Philosophers also point out that the exact meaning of simplest may be nuanced. Solomonov's theory of inductive inference is a mathematically formalized Occam's razor. Shorter computable theories have more weight when calculating the probability of the next observation, using all computable theories which perfectly describe previous observations. In science, Occam's razor is used as a heuristic to guide scientists in the development of theoretical models rather than as an arbiter between published models. In the scientific method, Occam's razor is not considered an irrefutable principle of logic or a scientific result. History. The term Occam's razor first appeared in 1852 in the works of Sir William Hamilton, 9th Baronet, centuries after William of Ockham's death in 1347. Occam did not invent this razor. Its association with him may be due to the frequency and effectiveness with which he used it. Occam stated the principle in various ways, but the most popular version, entities must not be multiplied beyond necessity, was written by John Punch from Cork in 1639. Formulations before Occam. The origins of what has come to be known as Occam's razor are traceable to the works of earlier philosophers such as John Duns Scotus, Robert Grosseteste, Maimonides, and even Aristotle. Aristotle writes in his Posterior Analytics, "We may assume the superiority ceteris paribus of the demonstration which derives from fewer postulates or hypotheses." Ptolemy stated, "We consider it a good principle to explain the phenomena by the simplest hypothesis possible." Phrases such as, "It is vain to do with more what can be done with fewer," and "a plurality is not to be posited without necessity," were commonplace in 13th century scholastic writing. Robert Grosseteste, in commentary on the Posterior Analytics books, declares, "That is better and more valuable which requires fewer, other circumstances being equal."